Hi, myself Yash Pratap Singh. I have graduated my BTech from Civil stream in 2020. My 10 percentage is 62.7, my 12 percentage is 57, and my degree percentage is 72.9. I have completed my BTech from IMT College of Engineering. And about the Jspider feedback, there are good professional trainers in the Jspiders. They will teach you in such a simple way that it will be easy for you to learn and get trained on any of the courses. Keshav sir is the best trainer for the Java full stack development courses. Yes, the faculties and HR gave me the necessary knowledge and practice that I needed to take up a role of application developer. Thank you.